Hi there, I'm Jen Brisman.
And I'm Montgomery, and this is a walkthrough of our web application POW, otherwise known as Paint on Walls.
POW is a communal photo sharing platform for lovers of street art. Users can register and create an account which will give them access to the public street art gallery, as well as the option to upload photos of their own. We have hashed the user's credentials with asymmetrical SHA-256 encryption to add basic security for the user.
POW is built on a Flask server using a Postgres database interfaced with the SQLAlchemy ORM.
We used JavaScript to handle the logic on the front end.
After logging in, the user will be brought to the public street art gallery. This gallery represents the full database of photos uploaded by the POW community of users.
Each photo is displayed on a responsive card styled using Bootstrap and CSS. Hover over an image and the card flips to display information about the specific street art piece on the back.
This information is being dynamically displayed using Jinja templating and includes the title and artist, as well as links to the full-size image of the piece and its location.
Clicking on the Location button opens Google Maps to show exactly where that piece of art is located.
To quickly find a specific piece of art in the gallery, we created a search feature by using a JavaScript event listener that evaluates keystrokes to hide the cards that do not contain any text matching the search.
Uploading a photo to the community library is quick and easy for the user. We built a form which takes in the title, the artist, and the location using Google's Map and Places API with their Place autocomplete service.
For the image file itself, we utilized Cloudinary's Media Management API, which returns a JSON object including the image URL, which we extract and send to the database.
Photos in the main gallery are displayed in order by the most recent upload. Clicking My Pics in the nav bar will apply a filter on the gallery that shows only your uploads. This way, you can see the specific photos you have added to the POW community.
POW is deployed on Heroku, and it can be accessed at paintonwalls.herokuapp.com. Check it out.
Moving forward, we want to implement Amazon's recognition feature so that the search function can search characteristics of the images, not just a string search of the information on the cards.
We created this video project using Camtasia and Descript, and recorded the audio on Adobe Audition using a Stellar X2 microphone.
For more information on other features in development and to see the code, please check out POW on GitHub or connect with us on LinkedIn.
Thank you for taking the time to learn a bit about POW.